panibagong horror game na naman. At ito ay taga Pilipinas! Pilipinas! Philippines! At sobrang ganda. Legit. Gustong gusto ko yung horror na to, man. Like, saan mo ba ako dadalhin, pre? Like, solid horror game. Ang laro na to ay tungkol sa mag-asawa. Based sa aking pagkakaintindi sa story, ang alam ko ay about sa mag-asawa to. And yes, mag-isa lang tayo sa bahay. The only way para makita yung multo, camera. Yes, camera. Kaya don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Kasi maganda tong horror na to, man. To be honest, one of the best horror Filipino game. Yeah, nagle-level up na ang horror game sa Pilipinas. Enjoy! ISO 2004! May nagsuggest sa akin ito eh. Nakita ko lang din kay Kuya Patrick. Oo. Sabi nila nakakatakot daw ito eh. Alam niyo yung ano niya, yung sound effects. Para siyang Silent Hill na luma. This experience contains depictions of violence, strong language, alcohol use, and smoking. Dali siyang alid. LOYN. Okay. If you ever find this, I hope you remember the days when we were kind to each other. I know things have been hard. I know you're scared, but even when you push me away, I still choose you. Wow! Loving you is not easy, but it has always felt right. I'll stay as long as you need me. Wow, grabe! Grabe talaga si Maria. Yung magandang email. Hindi yung, mag-promote ka nga nito. Magagi naglagbaw. I don't know why reading this hurts so much. It feels like I've read these words before, like I should remember something. But my mind just keeps slipping away from me. I'm so sorry. I miss the way you used to sit quietly beside me while I pretended not to notice. Yan, sa huli ang pagsisisi, pare. Kit 2.0. Hindi ka naglalag yung ano ko, guys. Naglalag yung TikTok ko. I miss the days when everything felt simple before I started pushing things away. Just because I was scared to face them. Rinig pa ba ako? Parang hindi na. If I could turn back time, I swear I would do things differently. Ay talaga dapat. Naglalag talaga yung TikTok ko. Hayaan mo yan. Ang lakas ng volume! Pwede bang inaan yung ano dito? Okay, game. Tagalog na Tagalog na! Pang ano talaga Pilipinas, oh! Ay! Ay! Ang ganda! Bakit may sampahin sa loob? Ay, sa bagay, naulan. Scream? Pamplona. Wala bang Tagalog? Ay, bawal yan! Ayoko niyan, tol. Okay. I don't even remember opening half of these. I've been saying that for years. When will I stop doing this? Clean up the mess. Bawal yun, tol, ah. Hello, Aries. Ano yun? Now I should put this in the bin. Oh, trash here? Oh, naman. Uy, melty sa T-box, ah. Better. Exit room? Oh, wait lang. Explore muna tayo. So, mag-explore muna. Turn on computer, yes. Bio setup progress. What do you mean? Enter or space. Kaya ba naging ISO? Wait, alis muna tayo. Kaya siguro naging ISO 2004 kasi sa computer. Parang ayos yun, ah. Hello, Xavier. Hindi ko nababasa yung comsec, pre. Naglalag yung TikTok ko. Ba't kaya? Ba't naglalag? May T-box, tama. Ay, wow! Literal na Filipino household talaga, pre, oh. Ah! Oh, may na-storm. Why does it have to be so damn loud, bro? The lights just went out. Great. Kasi everything's heart me. Everything's heart me, ah. Nothing's heart me. Anything's heart me. Paborito sa Rose tsaka sa heart niya. I need a candle and I have to fix the fuse box before it gets worse. Might as well check the news. So if there's any updates about this damn storm. Okay. Candle. Dilim ah. Use candle, yes. Damn. Ganda ng game na to ah. Pilipino siya, tol. Kusina ng Pilipinas, oh. Kusina ng Pilipino. Abang na announcement, walang pasok pare. 300 days? Wow. Ay, to, dito. Open the fuse box, yes. Not again. Every damn storm, it's the same shit. Okay, just like before, switch it off and turn it back on. Okay. 16 stars, Siren things hurt me. Victor things hurt me. Forgive me. Oh, that easy lang? The lights are back. Better check the TV for any updates before doing anything else. Hi. So, sino yung multo dito? My reflection looks off. I don't need this thing anymore. I'll sell it soon. Someone else might see value in it. Wow! Is this me? Kagi, ang ganda ng ano niya. Ang tawag dun yung, taga Pilipino talaga siya, pre. Galing ah, ganda ah. Channels. Weather forecast. Anding an saling gloring seni. Ay, GPT sa art niya.
Magandang gabi, mga kamarites.
Tagalog! Philippines!
Pag-usapan natin ang isang sensitibo pero totoong issue ng pagkontrol sa intimacy at responsableng desisyon sa bawat pamilya. Carla, aminado ka ba na mas gusto ng partner mo ang walang proteksyon?
Ay, ibang topic to ah. Ayoko nyan. Bird control ba yun? Woo! Black Bull. Energy drink. Kamandag. Tirada lukso.
Sa gabi ng tukso.
Eh yo, ano yan? Bakit puro ganun yung laro? Ay, yung ano, yung... Ongoing, okay. I'll just wait until it finally starts broadcasting. Ba't puro ganun yung ano? Trustiwala. I should get something to eat tonight while I'm waiting for the weather to begin. 12 pesos lang yun. Napakamura tol, napakamura. Nice! This durian looks so healthy. Time to open it. Okay. Sino kumakain ng durian dyan, pre? This looks so yummy. Take the first seed. Ganda ng ano. Trip na trip ko yung animation. Parang hindi na pan-Tagalog na ano, pre, pang Pinoy. Ano doon? Finally, the weather report has started. Pabili na itlog. Ganda ng design, no?
Magandang gabi po.
Liana.
Ito ang pinakahuling ulat panahon mula sa ating
Ay!
Weather Forecast Center. Ang bagyong Uping ay patuloy
Okay.
na lumalakas habang papalapit sa bansa. Ayon sa huling monitoring, inaasahang tatama ang sentro ng bagyo sa Mindanao
Mindanao!
hating gabi na may dalang malalakas na ulan at mapanganib na bugso ng hangin. Bagamat sa
Kuya Will!
inaasahang unang lalapag ang bagyo,
Bartumala.
makakaranas din ng masamang panahon ang ilang bahagi ng Visayas at Luzon.
Goal ng game?
Kabilang ang tuloy-tuloy
Hindi ko pa sure eh.
na ulan, pagbaha, at posibleng pagguho ng lupa sa mga bulubong
Bumibili. Hindi ako nalabas ng bahay.
Pinapayuhan ang mga residente sa mga apektadong lugar na manatili sa loob ng bahay. Maghanda ng mga emergency supplies at makinig lamang sa opisyal na anunsyo ng lokal na pamahalaan.
Ayos ang animation nito ah.
Patuloy po namin babantayan ang galaw ng bagyo.
Siya nga, baka
Mag-ingat po
wala pa sila Lia tsaka si ano. Hindi na ba si Hatsu? Okay na. Stay safe mga kababayan. It's going to hit the province again. I've got to call my dad about this. I just ate this last seed of durian. Durian! What game? ISO 2004 pare. Sarap naman yan. All done. Delicious. Now I need to get to the telephone. Cellphone. Nasaan yung cellphone ko? Ito. A telephone. Would you like to use it? Oo. Si Papa. 09563. Asterisk. 09563. Ay, hashtag nalagay ko, putik. These aren't me, believe me, pare. Take the handset. Papa! Pa!
Napatawag ka?
I just checking. I was worried about the storm.
Oo na. Narinig ko na yan. Hindi naman bago yan dito.
Hindi na bago.
Kung nag-aalala ka talaga, mas dapat mong ayusin sarili mo dyan.
Ba't parang robot si Papa, pre? I know I just can't stop worrying about you.
Kasi wala kang silbi kung wala ka pang nararating.
Ay, wala akong silbi! Bro, Papa!
Yung pinsan mo, manager na sa bangko. Eh ikaw?
Bakit bigla napunta sa ganun? Ba't bigla ako sinabihan wala akong silbi? Bro, worried lang ako sa'yo pa. Sinusubukan ko naman, pero iba kasi sa akin, ganun kasi yung tay.
Pare-pareho lang kayo ng pagkakataon.
Pare-pareho, hindi lahat ng pagkakataon pare-pareho.
Walang kayo ng diskarte.
Oo, magkaiba ang diskarte, pare. Grabe naman si tatay. Filipino dad, bro. I'm learning as I go, dad. Oo nga.
Kailangan ng drama. Kailangan ko ng resulta.
Pucha, tumawag na, sermonan pa.
Pinalaki para maging mahina.
Di mo pinalaki para maging mahina.
At huwag na huwag kang mag-aalag hanggat di ka pa nakabawi sa amin ng nanay mo.
I didn't plan to yet.
Obligasyon mo yan.
Oo, sige na.
Pinaaral ka namin at wala kang magagawa.
Pwede bang itigil na to? I appreciate everything but it's a lot to carry.
O siya, hindi na ako magtatagal pa.
Wait! Papa! Parang hindi ata maganda yung Hindi ata maganda yung pakikiano natin kay Papa, pre. Kaya siguro ganito yung bahay natin. Uy! Masama yan! Eh, hindi ko babasahin yan. Uy! Hindi ko rin babasahin yan, pre. This is all your fault. My life is miserable. One day, when I'm successful, I won't let you step inside my mansion. I need to rest now so I can go to work tomorrow. Matutulog na tayo, guys. So, paano lalabas yung multo? Time for bed. I hope she lets me sleep this time. Mas roll live agad. Tama yun, pare. Itulog na natin. Bakit may ganyang poster? It's hard to fall asleep like this. Maybe I'll try a different position. Ay, wow! I can move! Ay, galing! Alam ito! Ganda naman ng Oh, ayos to ah! Stay ba ako ng ganito? Paano kayo matulog, pre? Ganito ba? Papalit-palit, di mapakali. Ayun na. Much better. Ayun! May exact position palang hinahanap. I forgot to pee. This is going to make it even more uncomfortable. Okay. Parang feeling ko dito na mag-uumpisa lahat. Not now. I need to pee. Okay. Guys, we have to get ready, guys, ha? Ay, hindi ko pinatay ilaw pala dito.
Pinakalit ko yan. Pagganda ng pwesto ko, tas naiinit.
Hi! Tingin mo na sa salamin. Ay, madilim. Tulog muna, tulog. Bukas yung bintana, di ba delikado to, pre? Just toilet, yes. Alright. Feels so good now. Ba't may warak dito? What's this? What's this? Why is there a hole here? This doesn't make sense. Okay. Sa multo? Paano tayo mumultuhin dito? Paano tayo mumultuhin dito? Bango ng banyo, ano?
Andito pa ko. Ilog.
Ikaw? Oh, Filipino game. Si tatay ba ang multo? Baka si tatay ang multo, pre. Filipino game to, ah. Hold. Sleep.
Mamaya pa ko mananakot. Halata sa banyo mahaba.
Ay, drink t-shirt. Hey, good evening. Hey, yo, what's this? Bata! Oh. Oh, legit na legit. Ay, may tao dito! Oh my goodness! Nah.
Kuya, ano yan? Talagang calendar ng Alfonso sa
Kagi ka, ano yun, pre? Ang haba ng buhok nun. My stomach hurts. What's happening to me? I can't even sleep in peace. Maybe I drank too much alcohol and ate durian at the same time? I need to get up and drink some water. Idol! May babae sa sa bahay natin. Use candle, yes please. Napakamalas naman ng bahay ng buhay natin, pre. Ooh! That's creepy, ah! Wait, what do you mean? I just used it recently. Pinapi! What should I do, pre? Gamot? Gamot? Woo! Sarap. This stinks. I hate this. I need some water. Get the mug into the sink. Alright. I hope this makes me feel good. What's happening, pre? Oh! Oh! Buhok pa yan? What the hell is this? A strand of hair? What the hell, bro? What was that sound? Oh! Who's there? Why did you come again? Leave me alone. Oh my... Ayoko nung tunog niyan, tol, ah. Show yourself. I'm done with this. Okay, she does not fully exist in this world. She appears distorted. Her form refusing to settle into reality to reveal her true shape. Use the camera found in your inventory when you view through the lens. Her presence stabilizes. Shattering her image forces her twisted appearance into reality, causing visual corruption and momentary glitches in her form. She reacts to being observed. Ano to? Ano? Yung ang tawag ng laro na yun, pre? Where's the camera? Equip. Equip mo na, tol. Because, you know, parang open the gallery. Should I picture dito? Wait, may tumatawag, may tumatawag. Go to room, yes. May tumatawag. Answer call, yes. Oh! Nasa likod lang siya! Hindi niyo nakita, pre? Darling, join me in death. Nandito siya kanina. Nakita ko siya dito kanina, pre. Paano ko? Wala bang ano like ilaw? Light's not working. Isang item na may pre ano. Picture nga tayo sa ano, sa CR. Wait, tatawagan yun? Hindi masyado. Try natin yung picture dito. Parang hindi siya kanina eh. Oh, wala. Never mind. Oo nga, no? Ito nga. I mean, unknown na ano. Unknown number na siya. Hashtag 09666. Asterisk. File 1979? What do you mean? Hindi daw siya makikita sa ano. Sa mata lang ng mismong... Saan natin siya mapapansin? Date? Ah, date! Sa calendar siguro. Baka sa calendar. Wait, try natin dun. Birthday nung namayapa. 19 March, ano daw? March, di ba? Baka hanapin yun. Saan naman? Paano makikita yun? Pinapakadilim. Pwede ba dito? Hindi pwede, man. Ah, may iba? Okay, may. Not working pa din. Limited lang ba yung picture ko? Or anytime? Hindi ko alam kung limited lang yung pagpipicture eh. Oh, may pipicturean nga tayo, hindi dito. Sa loob ata mismo ng ano. Saan na yung namayapa sa sinasabi. Candle, hindi pwede pulutin eh. Ito ata. Ito siya galing kanina eh. Cigarette. Wallet. Wala na alagay. Mirror. Ito kailangan ng kandila. Only item can be equipped at the time. Ay, wait. Baka kailangan natin. Kunin ko muna yung kandila ito sa kabila. Baka kailangan nilipat. Use candle, yes. Kailangan natin ilipat. Filipino game. An old poster of black na sari. The edges are curling. Di ba ito yung pipicture natin? Hindi naman siguro, no? Mamaya dito lumabas. Ah, wala ako. Paano? 0.5 vision. Oh, new DP ah. Teka, meron na ta sa CR. Ay, dito pala, wait. 1979 yun, di ba? Ito, 2004 kasi nakalagay dito eh. Ha? Calendar.
Siyempre, parang may maganda na naman sa...
What? Hindi lumalabas pa eh. Hindi maganda ang mala. I'll worry about it later. Right now, I got bigger things to deal with. Ha! Clue ata yung sinasabi. Di ba clue yun? Yung sinasabi nung sa telephone? Oo, madilim talaga. Ito medyo maliwanag. Hindi ba ito pipicture? Not this? Ano? Tawagan ko ulit. Papaulit nga po ni sinabi nyo kanina. Tanungin natin yung multo ulit, pre. $1979? Gallery. Nasaan na ba yung gallery?
May
Space.
password sa PC yun.
Ah, password ba sa PC yun? Pucha, kanina pa ako nagpipicture-picture dito. Password sa PC. Wait! Walang power. Ay, may... Ha? Walang ilaw pero may PC? Digicam? Open cam.
Trust me on this one.
Wow, pogi naman natin, pre. Connect with friends. No friends detected.
WTHHAHHH.
Forever that zip. Ito ba? 05. 05 ba na yun? May sariling generator. 28.
Dapat nakaputi ka ngayon.
1979. Oy! May lumabas bigla! Ah, who's this?
5,516.
Autopsy. Autopsy report victim Bernilia Main Mangaragan. Time of death between insider boarding room. External examination, general condition. The body shows multiple defensive wounds and extensive trauma. Stabbing wounds at least 5? Resident Evil Requiem? Hindi pa. Testing ko ngayon. After nito. Left arm, humerus comminuted fracture bone. Ay, parang ano to parang na-murder. Content warning. This following image and information contain disturbing and graphic content including depictions of severe injuries, trauma, and death. Oh, damn. Pwede ba to? Nangyayari sa totoong buhay, hindi ko lang sure. Parang masama uncensored yan. The autopsy confirms Main Maria Marangaragan fell victim to a brutal rage-fueled attack within the supposed refuge from boarding room. Ayoko. The combination of multiple stabbing wounds, extensive blunt force trauma, and dislocation injuries leaves a picture of profound suffering and death that was anything but merciful. Wait, let me try. Oh! Hindi pwede! Hindi nga pwede. Bawal nga, pre. Mahal kong Pilipinas. Pilipinas kong mahal. I'm writing this from mine, window pane, cloud. Connected ba to? Ay, kay Maria! Digicam? What do you mean Digicam? Oh my God! May tao sa libi mo! May multo sa likod ko, pre! Nakita niyo ba? No connection? Hindi niyo ba nakita, pre? Sa akin, nagilid ko yung camera. Nandito siya sa gilid ko kanina. Magputi na ako. Ito si ano ang pangalan nun? Wait lang. Maria, di ba? Oo, si Maria. Si Maria to. Ito si Maria. Siya atay nagbumulto ngayon. I'm Robert Miguel Alonso, a photographer at San Decema Photography Studio in Barangay Tori, Davao City. Sa Davao? Personal background. My parents' high expectations weigh heavily on me. Kaya pala ganun si Papa. Sige na pa. Ah! Oh my God! Pre, ano yun? Wow, wow, wow! That was creepy, ha? Hindi ko gusto yun, ha? Parang ayoko nun. Bro. Ayoko nun, man.
Hindi ko nagugustuhan ka.
Parang di maganda tong laron to, pre, ah. Oh! Oh my! Pre, pamicture ka na! Oh my gosh! Ate! Masisira yung rep ko! Ate, magbayad ka kuryente! Oh my goodness! Ano yan? Oh. Oh. Oh my... Grabe taga... Filipino game to sa... Oh... Ate, masira yung... Masakit yan! Ah! Oh my God, pre! Ano yan? Tapos na ba? Please na, tapos na. Tapos na? Parang ginig na lahat. Alam mo itong heart, isa yung heart niya. It's just a dream? I can still feel her hands on my throat. I died there. I know my body folded. My breath stopped. Everything went black. But my eyes are open now. And this room is pretending nothing happened. I'm alive. But I don't feel spared. Every memory feels like it's rotting in my head, replaying the worst parts on a loop. I kept thinking about the choices I didn't make, and the ones I did that ruined everything. It's like my past lined up, just to laugh at how badly I effed it all up. I tried pretending I could outgrow this pain. All it did was sharpen it, make it louder, make it impossible to ignore. I don't recognize myself anymore. Just this hollow thing wearing my name. I don't know how much more of this I can carry without breaking. If this is living, I keep wondering if she can forgive me this time, even though I don't deserve it. She? I was so cruel. What I did to her can't be justified or undone. It was inhuman. Get the rope! Eh! Parang kailangan ko i-black screen to. Oh!
Game developer ng Pinas.
Oh my God, tapos na. Wait!
Hala, magiging parol pa ata.
So yung nagmumulto sa atin, tayo may kasalanan kung ba't namatay yung babae niyon? Kaya nagmumulto siya? Bro!
Boy, what?
A rope of regret is never tied all at once. It's braided slowly from moments we thought didn't
Boy,
matter.
what the fuck?
Each fiber is a word left unsaid, a kindness
Grabe
delayed,
yun.
a choice made out of fear instead of truth. Regret doesn't pull, it waits. It lets you walk freely while reminding you that every step echoes backward,
Hindi ba
that
yung
the past
lalaki
is
sa
not
main
gone,
character
only
mo
quieter.
din?
Oh,
What the hell, bungad?
ay hindi. Eh, tayo nga ba yun? And still, the rope is not a verdict, only a weight. It can bind, but it can also remind you that you're strong enough to feel it, to name it, to refuse letting it decide the ending. Ganda naman ito, pre. Ito yung ISO. This rope of regret feels heavier.
Eh, pareho nakasalamin eh.
Baka nga tayo yun. I don't even know if choosing wrong is still possible. Maria's voice won't leave me alone. Sweet and rotten at the same time. What if forgiveness only exists on the other side of this pain? What if peace is just another lie? Tapos na? Kaya ang ganda naman itong laro na to, pre. So, solid yan ah. Asawa niya si Maria. Oo ata. Tayo ata yung nasa picture. Di ba dalawa sila?
Na gumawa ng nga Pinoy.
Galing, ang galing. Oh, meron pa? Hello? Is this Robert Miguel Alonzo? In San Decema Photography Studio at Barangay Toril? I was told that you handled private bookings with discretion. I hope I didn't catch you at a bad time. By the way, my name's... Ay, babae pala! By the way, my name's Rika. I'm looking to schedule a new Prosti what? Something clean and convincing. I need someone who understands how appearances can protect secrets. I like to feel comfortable with the person behind the camera. I can come in today, if that works for you. I'm very motivated to make this arrangement worthwhile. Thank you. Oh, bata! Don't worry, my dear. Mama's right here. Everything will be alright. I promise you that. Mama will do anything.
Grabe di
Anything.
man lang censored.
For you. What? The Good Mother. Wala pa yung chapter 2. Oh my goodness. Filipino game to? Wow! Filipino game yan, pre? Damn! Lupit! Sige lang, Clyde. Watch things art niya. Ay, angas!
Paangas.
Ganda!
Waiting for chapter 2.
Ganda, ganda ng laro. Okay, waiting. Chapter 2 will return in full version of the game. Some chapters are still under development. Okay. Each chapter introduces a new protagonist, involving the main plot through different lives and perspectives. But is facing understood differently by each character. Ganda, ganda ng story,
Filipino
pre.
developers.
W. Nag-level up yung mga Filipino game ngayon, ah. Para nag-set na ng standard to, yung laron to, pre. Special thanks. Solid. Ayun siya, oh. Naglalakad siya, oh. Oo nga. Ganda, ah. Solid yun, ah. Bakit pag in-exit ko ganito lumalabas? Tapos na? Oo, tapos na.